Hello everybody, I'm one of the developers of the game controller and I want to show you how easy it is to change or create your own style. For example, now in League of Legends, if your health is too low, your keyboard will be fully red. Let's say we want to add a new feature, our own custom feature, that says if we die, our keyboard will be blue. So this is our app. Currently it's using the default style. If we click on that style and on the edit button, it will pop out a window. In that window we can see all the drawing commands that are being used for this style. Every drawing command has a trigger and a macro sequence. If we click on it we can see the macro sequence, like now. If we edit the drawing command we can see its trigger. Currently the trigger is if the health is below 200. This means when the health is below 200 this command will run. The macro sequence on the right is just a list of macros. Every macro is just a list of keys and a specific color. We can create a new command by clicking on the plus sign. In this windows on the left, we can see all the variables we can use in this specific game. We want to use the dead timer variable. It represents the cooldown when you are dead. This means when you are dead, the value will not be 0, and when you are not dead, the value will be 0. So we want to say dead not equals to 0, and this is how we make a trigger for a new command. So after selecting a name and clicking on apply, we need to create our first macro and we need to select what area the macro will affect, and currently it's everything. After applying, we can see our command in the list. It will be the last command. Now we would like to set the color of this macro. So let's make it blue. Currently it's red. The default color is red. So now we are changing it to blue. But you can select every color you want. There isn't a lot of colors. And that's it, we are done. Now we can click on apply. And now our style is running, so let's go and check it. If it will work, it's supposed to make our keyboard blue when we die, but before we die it should be red, because when our health is low it will be red, but when we die it will be blue. Yeah, and we can see that it's working, and you can create your own styles, and everything you already see we created by this method, so you can customize everything. We hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.